if you want to find my all videos or video notification, please kindly subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share with your family friends. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. This is free. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel. My name is Yasmin and today I'm going to show you guys how to make yummy, tasty and very delicious recipe. This recipe's name is shaljam chicken. I don't know what it is called in English. The other name is on ingredients. All name and everything is on quantity I put on it. You can see in ingredients everything, all the whatever I put in spices, all ingredients I put on the my videos, so you can read there too. So my channel have two language videos, English and Urdu. So if you guys like see any video in the Urdu but you guys not understand, so you want to make a can I make for you guys English, so comment below. I'm making the recipe same thing is in English, so this recipe is in English. Thank you so much for you guys all subscribe my channel. Whoever subscriber who is watching my channel, please kindly subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share with your family friend. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. So let's get started. Which ingredient we need it, and I request you guys, please this video make watch step by step. If you want to, this recipe is delicious and very good taste, so you have to watch this recipe step by step. So because I show you guys step by step everything. So this one I have 2 pound chicken and 1 kg something like that with the medium slices with bones. You can use this recipe, you can make in the beef too, this one, and with beef, with the mutton, with the breast chicken, with this chicken. So I have this with the bones. I have the 1 kg chicken. I have 1 onion, I get it I cut with slices. I have this is shaljam. I'm not putting that all of them, I put 3 or mediums. I have ginger paste. I'm making ginger paste. Everything I show you guys step by step. Spices, everything. So I can get 1 pot. You can use any way you've been making food. 5 pound pot, whatever you need this. So I put in the 1 cup of oil. Oil is your choice. What brand you're using, so you can use it. This is 1 cup of oil. So I open the gas. So I put in this is the onion inside. So we are making this onion brown, light brown, not dark brown. When it's done with the light brown, then after I show you guys next what I do. Okay, so you guys see this one is light brown, it's not too much dark. So have you want to be like this, all the onions is coming on like on point, very nice brown. So you can use 1 pinch of salt, so it's coming like very good. This is a tip from me. So now I'll show you guys. This is I have 2 teaspoons of ginger paste and 2 teaspoons of garlic paste and 1 green chili and 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. Why I'm using cumin seeds and green chili right now, I show you guys. I'll tell you guys next, and step by step. I'll tell you guys why I'm using why I'm using right now, why I'm using like before now. So I'll tell you guys. So I'm adding this one is like you have to cook like just 30 seconds. After that I will be adding chicken. Just for 30 seconds. And I'll tell you guys I have this is a tomato. This is frozen tomato. You guys have fresh, so you can add fresh. I don't have fresh right now, so I'm using this one. And I give you guys tips for the fresh tomato. If you want to peel off, you get a warm water and put inside this a dip in like 30 seconds, and this is you can peel off easily. So I put deep froze, then I cut this one. So this is one tip again. So now I'm adding the chicken right now. So this is. So this is added chicken, and I use this chicken making like 10 to 15 minutes, slow to medium gas, not too high, not too slow, and 10 to 15 minutes, because it got the bone inside. This bones inside they have blood, so we can do like a slow to medium gas is just fry like that, and 10-15 minutes, so it can blood cook inside and no smells coming out. So after 10 to 15 minutes I go show you guys. I'm now cover up, just leave it like this. So slow to medium 10 to 15 minutes. I told you guys how much time I get it. Okay, so when this chicken is over here cooking, so I cut peel off this shaljam and cut 4 slices, and same time with tomato too. So I'll show you guys next, and I'll show you guys spices too next. So after 15 minutes I'll show you guys how a chicken looks. After 15 minutes, you guys can see it change the color. I give you guys tip. Look that. Have is slow gas 10 to 15 minutes. I can do everything, all the masalas, all everything putting inside and just like do up like very faster. But which taste we need it tastes not coming like this. This thing is living inside like uncooked. So we have to cook before this for like 10 to 15 minutes for slow to medium. It's not if you want you guys no you guys have no time like that much. You can do like 10 minutes like slow to medium gas, not too high. If you put too high, it's be burned. So look that. So now I'm adding right now spices. I'll show you guys which spices I have, and after and I show you guys this is tomato. Remember I show you guys. So this one I cut slices. I'm not keep peel off, but if you want to peel off, you can peel off easily with the frozen this one. So I'll show you guys spices. This one is spices I have. You guys know I'm put the one green chili already inside. I want to let you guys know. This is spices is red pepper and the salt. This is on your taste. How much you want to put in? So other spices I told you guys. I have a half teaspoon, more than half teaspoon is red pepper powder. And why I'm putting like now I'm putting one because I have put the green chili inside, and also I have green chili flakes, and also I'm putting inside the black pepper too, black pepper powder. So I will show you guys next. So, and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon, more than half. This one is the red pepper powder. I have half teaspoon of turmeric powder. I have half teaspoon of cumin seeds powder. Why I'm putting half teaspoon? Because I've already put in the 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. I have 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, dry coriander powder. I have this is 1.5 teaspoon suki methi finger leaf. It is on the ingredient name. You can see easily over there. And also I'm putting this one inside now. Right now later, my homemade garam masala. Have you guys know which is the which one is the garam masala? You guys can comment below. I'll make a video on that too. So now we get masala that we're putting inside. So I want to give you guys tip. Right now I can put in tomato too, but why I'm not putting tomato first? I'm putting this masala inside because I want the masala good taste. So everything coming on fire taste. So we add this masala first. So on like 2 to 3 minutes cook. Then after we add tomato, I'll show you guys. So 3 minutes is done. This masala almost this aroma is so good, so fast. I'm telling you guys, watch this video step by step. So can you see? And I'm adding butter, adding again. So this one I have 2.5 teaspoon of lemon juice. I have lemon juice. If you guys have fresh lemon, you can use add is half lemon. So now I'm using inside the tomatoes. And I told you guys this tomato is frozen. That's why they have water. So I'm put the gas like more than like medium, not slow. So because I'm going to put the salt inside, so I don't want to chicken cook with 100%. I want to cook 50%. 50% is cook the chicken. Then after I put the salt inside. So and you guys make sure I'm not cover up before. I just cover up right now, just for like 10 minutes, and the medium gas. So when it's done, we have cut slices, peel off and cut slices, and show you guys next step. We are adding this one inside. So and 10 minutes this after I show you guys. So after I'm not putting the 10 minutes, just 5 minutes, because I don't want to chicken cook like 100%, because I'm thinking about right now for inside putting like little bit spinach inside, so more good taste. If you guys know half is don't bring inside, but if you guys have spinach, you put a little bit spinach inside. This is more good taste. I don't want to put it right now. I want to put it like before we have to put it, but I'm not doing it. I have frozen spinach. This is just 1 cup of spinach. I'm just putting it right now, and the right away I'm putting this shalgam. I put the slices now, cut in slices, and I gotta show you guys. I have left one more. I have 4. I just put in 3. I'm not putting like too much inside. I put a slice like this. Some people think like want to see like eat like this. I don't know if my family is not like that. So I have to cook more than that. So I hope it's spinach is cooked good inside, because I'm gonna put in before. Right now I'm putting inside. So after now we have to like little bit gas is more than medium, because I don't want to work the chicken and we cook together, everything is good. So there is right now you have to taste if you see the salt, you want to put adding salt inside. I told you guys, if you put the salt before more like it's so much, you cannot take it out. Have you put little is not putting it too much inside, you can adding again. If you put in too much, you cannot take it out. So make sure that the salt always put in like not too much, so can taste it. If you want to add it, if you want to taste it not good, you need more salt, you can add again. And if you see the spices you want to adding more right now, this is my tip. So you can add like chili flakes, you want green chili more, then there's a black pepper, so you can do these things. So now I'm closing this stuff, and after 10 minutes I show you guys. And flame is more than mediums, because I don't want to, this is everything is like must, so I don't want to make puree, that's why. So everything is coming on point, it's good taste. So I'll put the mediums to more. So after 15 minutes, yes, 15 minutes I show you guys. Around 15 minutes done now. So I tell you guys, if I say it's 15 minutes, we are covering, then we after 15 minutes show you guys. Is that not means I'm just open this top, it's 15 minutes later. Every 5 minutes I take it out this top and just do the spoon and flip the things, because I don't want to burn. So every 5 minutes you have to check. So I take it out. Look, so delicious. So right now I just tasted the thing. So make sure we right now we have to take it out this top. We don't want to cover up right now. We have to make 5 minutes is high gas, high gas 5 minutes for make sure very well cooked and tenderize, because I don't need smells. I need very good aroma, very good taste. So we have to in 5 minutes we have to tenderize, is like very good yummy taste. So I just taste it right now. I just put a little bit, add the salt. I don't want to put inside the garam masala, homemade garam masala. I have it's for like good taste and good like color. So but it's ready. I checked this is already good taste. I don't put in black pepper with so many masalas in, not too much masalas. I don't want to put spices so much. So have you guys when adding, it's good. Look, after putting a little bit spinach, look a good taste, good color, look like it's good taste. If you guys don't have spinach, so you guys do not adding, it's fine. I just adding because I want a very good taste. So there I'm adding is 2 green chilies and coriander. I have frozen this. You guys have fresh, you can add is fresh. So in 5 minutes high gas, after it's done, it's all just 45 minutes. Chicken is so yummy, good taste is done. And this one is I show you guys step by step. So next recipe I show you guys, it's just everything put inside, how you have to keep everything, keep your time like you guys have not so much time. So this one I just putting like this. I want to all the step by step cook everything, putting everything a good taste, yummy taste and very good taste, this one. So after 5 minutes I'll show you guys. 5 minutes done. Now I close the gas. So take it out of this dish, then I show you guys the final look. This is the final look. Shaljam chicken. You guys see this is the white thing. I tell you guys, this is I have unsalt butter. This one I just melted and putting inside. If you guys have it, putting it, otherwise it's not, because you guys know I'm not putting so much oil, it's cholesterol, so we are not using like too much oil inside. So this one is for good taste, really yummy taste. If you guys don't have this, skip it, it's not matter if you guys putting inside. I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, please thumbs up and comment below. Have any recipe you needed from me and you have any idea for recipes, so comment below. And please, if you not subscribe my channel, so please now subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share with your family friend. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. So I'll link it on it is other videos, is Urdu videos inside too if you guys want to watch Urdu videos. In the link in it is rice and any recipe, so many recipes, vlog, hair cream, hair oiling, so many recipes on there, so many videos on there, so many videos coming now soon. So keep watching next video. Bye bye.